So now let's take a look at our USDJPY. If you've actually not subscribed, before we get started, just click on the subscribe button, like and share. You can take a look at our USDJPY starting from our daily time frame. As we can see, our USD to JPY has actually hit this lows here. We can see this lows here, which is our support level, which was previously our resistance level, where our price has actually hit this place, came down, also hit here, came down, and once we add this breakout at this level, the price came to test this level and pushes up again. Now the price has come back to hit this level and we are starting to see that bullish move again. So the day we are analyzing is that we would want to see our price actually take out this highs here, which we are very likely to hit it, by the way, which is about 135. Currently we are trading at 133 on our USDJPY. We would want to see a 135, then probably there will be a reversal move or a continuous uptrend move on our USDJPY. Now, one of the reasons why we will be seeing such a thing is that, let's see our USD index. Our USD index has actually tapped this level, right, which was our support level, and it has actually come again to tap this level again, which is our support level, and now we are starting to see a bullish move. I also did a weekly analysis on our USDJPY. You can go back to actually watch it so to understand it fully. Now let's see on this our USD index. We have actually hit this our support level and we are starting to go bullish again. That is why we will be seeing a bullish move on our USDJPY. And another reason why we will be seeing a bullish move on our USDJPY is that when we take a look at our JPY index on our daily time frame, we are starting to have this bearish move. So very much likely our JPY index will continue to go down to this key level here. So once our JPY index comes back to this level, then it's very much likely we will see a bullish move on our USD JPY, even possible a retracement to this level here and a breakout, exactly what we're very much likely to see. But before that, if you are to take our trade on USDJPY, we suggest we take a buy on our USDJPY to at least 135. That is about 200 pips more to go. At least we should be able to hit it in 2 or 3 days. We should be able to grab that, I think about 150 to 200 pips, which I think is a very good amount of pip to grab, by the way. Now let's see it on our 4-hour time frame. Our 4-hour time frame, we've seen this uptrend move. On our 4-hour time frame, a huge uptrend move. We're very much likely to see a retracement and a continuous uptrend move on our USDJPY. When we have this uptrend move, we see this our up highs break our previous higher highs, a retracement, and another highs again, breaking this our previous higher highs. Is exactly what we're very much likely to see on our USDJPY. So for the day, our USDJPY would actually be giving us a bullish move.